wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best folding bike helmets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. Inspired by the leather headgear used by Italian track riders of yore, the Brooks England is a truly elegant model that you'd be proud to own. Still, it only compresses down to about 80% of its original size, so it's not the most compact choice out there. It comes with a leather storage strap and a hypoallergenic interior padding. However, note that the size tends to run small. At number 5, you don't have to worry about taking your child on an impromptu cycling adventure when you have the closca collapsible Kids, which consists of 3 parts that nest into each other for easy portability. It's ventilated as well for a comfortable airflow. It sports playful carrot-themed decals and a rear adjustment system, but it is pricey given that kids will grow out of it. Coming in at number 4 on our list. It doesn't matter whether you're actually from the UK, if you're an Anglophile you might appreciate the Brooks England Carrera collaboration. It's offered in handsome colour combinations featuring various fabric accents, including several tartans. It's equipped with a hidden flexible frame and is available in an extra large size. However, it only shrinks by about 20%. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding bike helmets, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. Cold weather doesn't have to put a crimp in your plans, as the closca Nordic was specifically made to keep you snug on chilly rides. Plus its beanie-style visor is modern and eye-catching, but not garish, so you'll fit right into any hyper-stylish city environment. This one's lightweight at 250 grams, with hidden air vents. It meets both USA and EU certifications. At number 2, whereas other options are limited in how small they shrink, making them feel somewhat gimmicky, the Morpher Black Flat is a true shapeshifter. This award-winning model quickly compresses down to a thin piece of foam and plastic, allowing it to be stowed almost anywhere. It comes in a few different colors, with a magnetic chin strap and a lightweight storage bag. And taking the top spot on our list. If you avoid wearing a helmet because you'd rather not lug it around when you're done biking, you need the overade plixi fit. This 3-piece unit is one of the most portable on the market and can be easily customized with add-on accessories like visors and covers. It's available in 2 sizes with lockable dividers. It's also great for scootering. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding bike helmets, or simply click beneath this video.